Hello everyone, welcome to elliottwaveforecast.com YouTube channel. Today is Wednesday, June the 7th. The time is 2 a.m. GMT. Today we are looking at the chart of the Bitcoin. Here is a 2-hour chart. Right, so we have this WX. So this is in the form of a double zigzag. Now we are within the Y leg down, and as long as we stay below 28,453, there is still a possibility Bitcoin extends lower again here to complete the C of Y. All right, so if we go to the 4-hour time frame now, so here is this is actually in the 1 hour, right? But I just zoom out a little bit here. So we can see right now that if I copy the WX in the zoom out chart here, this is the W and this is the X here, right? So we can see a couple of things here that we want to talk about. Now, the first one is this decline here. Now, so far it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has a 5 swing sequence when you are looking at it from the April 14 high. So typically when you have a 5 swing like this, typically it suggests that the cycle could extend lower because a 5 swing is incomplete sequence, and this is the bearish trend line here for this cycle here, right? So you have what looks to be an ABC here, and then you have a 3-ways correction after you finish the ABC, and then it extends lower again, break below the previous low. So we could develop another ABC down before finishing the Y. In this case, typically it can go to the 100% extension of the WX, which is going to be this area here, 23,227, right? So this is the potential area, target area for the move lower here. Now another option here, right? Another option here is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 diagonal ending A here, and then now looking to correct this 5 swing down, 5 ways down as a B, which can potentially break above this trend line because the B is correcting this entire decline. So that will be in the B, and then from there we go down again in the C leg. So that's another possibility, but for now we are looking for the downside as long as we stay below the X, and as long as we continue to stay below this trend line, with the alternate being this is the A and the B and going down in the C. And then yet if everything fails and we don't go down, because remember, eventually the fact that we are calling this as a WX, right, not as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 1, 2, 1, 2, the fact that this is the case suggests in the larger time frame it is actually bullish, because if it is not bullish the pullback would have been an impulse, but the pullback is a WXY structure, which is a corrective structure. So that means we are actually favoring the upside when we are dealing with the larger time frame. This rally looks quite impulsive, right? Quite impulsive. So overall, let's say, okay, so the WXY favoring more downside against the X. The second alternate, this is A, this is B, and then final alternate is we just truncate. This is called truncation. So we got WX and then this is the Y here, and we just truncate without reaching the 100% and just extends higher. Now in that case, we will break above this trend line and we will break above this previous peak, and then the larger degree bullish bias is going to continue without the shorter cycle reaching the ideal correction target here, which is the 100% extension. All right, so that's what we are looking at the Bitcoin right now. Again, depending on which time frame you're looking at, if you're looking at medium term, then actually we favor the upside. If you're looking at the shorter term, then we still cannot roll out another leg down as long as we stay below the X for now, and the ideal target of this is 23,200 around this area before we start to rally again to new high. All right, so as always, if you want to get more updates on Bitcoin or other cryptos, stock, indices, ETF, Forex, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.